What is up, you guys? We're here today for another Indestructible board test. This time, it's fiber fix. It feels kind of like a cast, doesn't it? That's probably the best, most accurate description I can probably like relate anything to. Is this is like a cast.
The only difference is we need a silver marker to sign it.
True. So I get a text from Aaron, and he sends me a screenshot of this ad, and it's fiber fix, and it's a video of this guy repairing a pipe that is leaking, and he gets it wet, and he wraps it around, and then the pipe no longer leaks anymore because apparently this is keeping it in.
But you need it to maneuver it. You need it to be wet.
Yes.
If the pipe is leaking, wouldn't it make it wet and not strong?
But apparently it dries in 10 minutes, so you have to leave it to dry, and once it dries, it's like
I think you need
fully
hot
fine.
water to flex it. I think the cold water, you know.
I don't know.
I see what you're saying, though. I see what you're saying.
But I don't know what this is made out of. It says 100 times stronger than duct tape, which I do kind of believe.
Feels rougher than grip tape.
Yeah. I know for sure that Fetty's gonna break this.
You think so?
Yeah, like, I'm pretty sure. But this could be like a good experiment, because maybe if we put Line-X over this, something gets even more indestructible.
Or talk about air, look about this air bubble.
Yeah, you like those?
Pop that air bubble.
Hey, my grip job on this is fantastic. So I didn't really think with where the hardware and the trucks would go, because I was just building this and it was really hard to put on. So with that being said, Fetty, go ahead and put those trucks on while Carlos and I make, can you?
Come on, Beast Coast to Coast.
I don't know where the drill
Johnny
is.
Bravo, come on, man.
Where's the drill? Nigel
stashes them away now. Those drills have been around since I first been around Braille, you know.
It looks like a mummy. Like that got really dirty in its tomb.
Look how red my knuckles got right there.
Why would you punch it? It's actually kind of sharp too.
I said it's rougher than grip tape.
I don't trust this stuff. Line-X I trust.
Hold on.
I think you should just drill through and, you know, genius.
I think that's like ideally where the holes would be.
Did it work? I think something broke. Oh.
That was the actual hole.
I'm not gonna say it.
Wow. You got the holes perfect.
Signed.
Carlos Nye, the science guy.
Ow.
This reminds me of a young story when I was a kid.
A young story.
This is the most beautiful story I've never heard. This reminds me of the time that we went to IKEA and Fetty opened a glass jar and I went along with it. And then for the next 4 hours, Daniel literally was losing his mind trying to figure out what exactly that meant, when really it was nothing.
The funniest thing is you guys included me and I had no idea what the hell was going on, so I just kept going with it as well.
Done.
Mummy!
All right, Fetty.
Hi.
That was a little too easy. A ball went outside.
Oh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, it's like grippier than grip tape, dude. How'd you do that?
I did a kickflip.
Oh!
20 times harder.
There you go.
We don't have anything.
Wow!
Wow.
That's good.
It's not half bad.
Really?
Yeah, it's actually kind of good.
Wow.
Just
Surprising.
a little heavy. Still can't front shove.
That's consistent.
That trick's just a weird one. I only can do it in the 50-50.
Trey?
Hooray.
Ha ha. Ow.
I was falling left, and then I had to fall right.
What?
Oh, I'm seeing it backwards.
Oh! Oh no!
Hey, wait, you got like 17 tries on.
Dang it!
I had 3.
Okay, then I got 2 more. Oh, okay. I guess you're right.
Oh! Wait.
What, mate? Figure it out, mate.
Got it.
I'm seeing it backwards. Great Scott. I don't like it.
Your opinion has changed in 5 seconds.
Well, I don't like tray flip.
Oh.
So
Is it grippy or no?
It's grippy.
Like normal skateboard?
This is
grip?
heavy.
that's tough.
I've never had a flick that hard for a hard flip.
Does it pad the primos at least?
Kinda. Not really. Alright, take it away, Carlos.
It does make it like substantially heavier than a normal deck. Pressing the foot.
Wow. Nice. Well done. What are you doing, man?
I don't know, having fun. Cause that thing is heavy as hell. Have you tried it yet?
No.
Try to kick with it. Try to kick with it, dude.
This thing's really heavy.
Yeah. This thing is really heavy. We're gonna make Gabe kickflip everything beyond this point.
This ain't right, man.
Oh, whatever. Whatever.
I'm gonna even try to heel flip it.
Okay. Yeah.
It flicked and then I got scared.
That's that fear face. Woo! I guess going to the gym really helped you all this time, huh?
Freaking nightmare flip the thing. Okay, I'm good.
Hey, Mr. Flick.
My ankle is not healthy. Like the way it flicks is not right.
You can triple flip on flat, so that's cool.
I mean, anything slides on that.
That's true.
My
So
bad.
much wax on that thing.
My bad.
Dang it.
We got tail now.
Wow. All right, Fetty, real quick. Comparison to Line-X. Grippier, heavier?
Grippier than Line-X. I don't think it's as heavy as Line-X though.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be heavier. I know, I wonder what's stronger though.
Uh.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to stomp that in one go, for sure.
I don't know.
Wow.
Nuts.
Why do I keep landing like that?
You were practicing for a while today, huh?
Yeah. It's all good. That's what this place is for, progression.
How does it slide?
Dark side would be sick. Right? Everything on the circuit board, I've been sweeping this place for the last 2.5 hours, and little things like this keep coming
Look at all
up.
the wax.
Wow.
Should get a scoop of wax.
See that?
I can hear my dog just right now. He's like, I want to come out and see what's up.
No, that's Aussie building the thing.
Yeah, that's his jingle.
My dog has the same jingle.
I want to go see how he's doing. How's it going, Aussie? How you doing over here, friend?
Good, man. I think this is right.
Oh, look, it's Tim Allen. Remember Home Improvement? I don't get how you kickflip it so easy. Oh! That's what's missing.
That was nearly spinal.
That was not okay. Landed like.
How'd you make it slide, man? Oh, Fetty, you're up. That hurt.
What are you thinking?
I don't know.
That's how you make it slide. You go fast. Wait. Oh, wait, here, Fetty. So the hardware has fully popped off. Please take this.
Okay.
Curb your enthusiasm, okay?
Oh, don't get that song stuck in my head, Carlos.
When a problem come along, you must wrap it.
I think that was cooler than the actual trick.
Yeah, that was sick. I flip to back it up.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like this thing.
You get a free workout.
Let me
too,
get a
as
double
you
flip
curb.
on it, or my varial flip before you do anything.
You trust me with the camera.
I felt like I stopped and didn't release my full potential.
That was not nice and easy.
All right, let me get nice and easy with it then.
I'm so proud, Gabe. I can't even fathom that.
I think I
I'm
can
so
double
proud
flip
of
it.
that. Your spirit animal is a gopher, because you should just go for it.
It is Groundhog's Day tomorrow.
First try. I know he twisted his ankle right there. Look at that pain face.
Ow.
That's a genuine pain face.
See,
right there.
that's the flick. Like, that's more flick than I used to do any triple flip ever.
Yeah, I'm getting carpal tunnel holding this camera. So
Yeah.
Thanks.
Welcome to my
That
life.
thing is heavy, dude.
I can't believe I landed that.
my power and some, dude.
Yeah, I
had to
just
borrow
got a
power.
notification from NASA that we have liftoff.
Yep, I was rocket as hell.
He'll flip it up. Oh, not what I was expecting. What happened? You hit your shin?
Not enough pop, not enough flip. The one-eyed mummy hurt me.
It's hard too.
It's like getting hit with a piece of plastic.
Oh, what's up on the bottom?
That did almost cut me though.
Yeah,
Oh
watch
no,
out,
it did. Look, a little bit. You see that little red spot?
Oh, I guess so.
Dude, what the heck? It's like thinner than a needle in the thread.
Wake up call. Wow! That was absurd.
That's like the thinnest cut you could ever have. Like it's worse than
Fetty, you nasty, bro.
You walked into it.
Bro, you could have warned us. That is really bad.
raunchy. You gassed me. That's what happened.
Fetty, you're gas, man. It drugged me more than the IKEA rug section. Wow. That was it.
Like as soon as he got a shark tail, he did it. You know?
Not to mention his gas. So, how's it going, Aussie?
He's building my bed frame.
Wow. Wow. Oh! Wow! That clip could not have gone better. Wow! No, it's just if you fall, he's gonna throw it under you.
Good job, Fetty. Good job.
Oh, you had one job.
I like completely missed it. Look where the mattress ended up.
You had a cheek.
Okay, guys. That just sucked.
Dark slide time, and then we'll let Fetty go to work. Starting with the baseball bat.
I'm already at work.
Wow. Oh, 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 oh.
He's like always going
Dude,
through trauma.
That was way too easy.
Well,
You want to try to break this part?
Sure. I'm trying. No, hold on. There's some potential right there. Hey, wait. Come on!
Alright, don't hurt yourself, my
No,
friend.
I'm not. See how embarrassing that is? Okay, now it's my turn for the first one. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, rip the thing right through it. The whole bolt. Yes.
So, I think that it's not as strong as Line-X.
No, definitely not.
Carlos, what do you think?
I wouldn't know. I couldn't even break Line-X, so if I can't do that, I mean, more power to you, dude.
True.
Line-X takes me like 4 or 5 stomps.
Yeah, and the Line-X doesn't have any seams.
Did you see my
True.
17 stomps failure? That was horrible.
13 and a
You
half.
should be ashamed of
Yeah.
yourself. It's okay.
I'm working on it. I'm trying to eat more, you know, gain some Cthulhu weight.
Click to my left for a bunch of videos and playlists that you guys will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And this video, as always, was a lot of fun to make. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as we loved making it. And Fetty enjoys breaking it.